Wingspan is a relaxing and strategic game that can be played with up to 4 friends. Each player is a bird watcher, trying to attract unique birds to their personal board to earn points. The game includes over 150 bird cards, shuffled and placed face up in a tray. There are 5 different food tokens and eggs, which are all worth the same amount of points. The game also includes a bird feeder with wooden dice, a goal board with random goal tiles, and bonus cards with unique goals for each player. Players are given a board, action cubes, and 5 food tokens. They are dealt 5 bird cards and 2 bonus cards, and must discard a food token for each bird card they want to keep in their hand. Players choose 1 bonus card and discard the other, keeping their choice secret. Each turn, players choose 1 of 4 available actions and place a cube on the corresponding slot on their player board. They then activate bird powers in the row from right to left and take turns until all action cubes are used and the round is finished. The game consists of 4 rounds, with players losing a cube each round. The final score is calculated at the end of the 4th round to determine the winner.